guys, I'm Carla from English Tutor Hub and welcome to another translation video where I want to teach you the Tagalog translation of the word criticize. So if you want to know what is criticize in Tagalog, then keep on watching. And before we start, if you want more English to Tagalog and Tagalog to English translations, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. For sure, it will help you a lot. What is the meaning of criticize? So when we say criticize, it is to express one's unfavorable opinion to the word or the quality of. Additionally, it is to express contrary assumption to someone. Here are some synonyms of criticize. So we have blame, censure, condemn, denounce, dispraise, fault, and reprehend. Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang i-like, share, at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. At kung gusto nyo pa ng maraming English to Tagalog translation and Tagalog to English translation, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. After knowing and understanding the meaning of criticize, now let us learn what is criticize in Tagalog. The word criticize can be directly translated as pumuna. Ang pumuna ay upang ipahayag ang hindi kanais-nais na opinyon sa halaga o kalidad ng isang bagay o mga pangyayari. Dagdag pa rito, ang pumuna ay upang ipahayag ang salungat na palagay sa isang tao. At ang mga kasing kahulugan ng pumuna ay pag-isipan, punahin, paghamak, sisihin, pintasan, hatulan, pansinin, at pinupuna. In this example, I will use the word criticize and of course, I will translate it into Tagalog, okay? Don't ever criticize a person when you don't know the whole story. In Tagalog, huwag mong punahin ang isang tao kapag hindi mo alam ang buong kwento. So this time, you know already what is criticize in Tagalog, and there are a couple of words in the Filipino language that could translate into criticize. However, the use of these words depends on the context of the sentence. Therefore, be mindful of what you write and what you say. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-comment kung may natutunan kayo sa ating video at pwede rin po kayong magtanong kung sakali. At maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless.